Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you again today. I'm telling you, today we're doing grilled honey balsamic salmon. Man, this stuff is so good. I didn't used to be a salmon fan at all, and I started exploring ways to cook this. We're gonna do it on the Pit Boss today. Man, it turns out so good. And you're gonna wanna do it this way too. So, hang tight. Okay, what we've got is two pretty close to 3-pound fillets. We're gonna put 2 layers of flavor. Now, you see, they still skin on. I'm gonna keep skin down to protect this meat. And this is Uncle Steve's SPG. I'm gonna put a moderate coat of SPG on this fish. And then on top of that, this is, of course, Gator Shake. It is Cuff and Stuff approved, of course. I'm gonna put a little bit. This has a citrus pop in it. There we go. All right. I'm gonna let this sit out until my smoker comes up to temp. I've got just a little bit of lemon juice that I'm gonna sprinkle over the top. And I'm gonna let this sit. Now, it's in the 40s out here. It's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna let this sit and marinate together. And when we go to the smoker, I'll bring it back. Okay. Well, the temperature's dropped a lot, like 15 degrees in the last 30 minutes. Winds picked up. We're fighting the temp, but we're still in the neighborhood of about 400 degrees. So let's start this fish. We're gonna put it on. Now I'm gonna take and lay this skin side down toward the outside. I'm gonna put both of these right here. All right, you see? There we go. All right. Close it up, and this cook is off. All right, we're gonna let this go. It's not gonna take long. With this temperature, it should be around 15 minutes or so. So we're gonna keep an eye on it, and we'll bring you back. All right, we're gonna start out. We're gonna make our glaze while we're letting our fish do its thing over there. That's probably, I don't know, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is our balsamic vinegar. We're probably gonna do, I don't know, maybe as much as a 1/4 cup. Not a ton, okay? All right, let's do about, oh, I don't know. Let's try a couple of tablespoons. That ought to be about right. And Just a little bit of Uncle Steve's shake and just a little bit of SPG. This is maybe 3 tablespoons of onion. This is a sweet onion. And about 3 cloves of garlic, minced up real tight. All right. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to take this and I want to reduce it down to about half. Okay. So I'm going to keep it moving, reduce it down till it's almost syrupy. Love that onion and garlic. All right, so we're gonna let this cook down, and then we're just gonna turn the heat off. Hopefully this is gonna stay warm enough when the fish gets done, and we're keeping a sharp eye on it. And I'll bring you back. All right, we're in the 140s, low 140s. I'm gonna take this balsamic that we have made and I'm gonna spread right over the top. Of the fish. Now I let it render down. It's about half of what we started with. So I just want to drizzle this on the top. This is that balsamic honey glaze that we made. I'm gonna get both of these. There you go. Coat it down good. All right, we're gonna let this go another maybe 5 or 6 minutes, and then we're gonna bring you back. Okay, we've taken it off. Let's see what we've got here. Look at that. See how flaky that just comes off? Perfectly cooked. I don't know whether you can see that or not. Oh my goodness, that's just as moist, juicy. Oh my goodness. That's gonna take more than one bite for a taste test. You know, I'm not a real big salmon fan, but my gosh, when you cook it like this. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Hey, listen, folks, thanks for sticking around, seeing how this was gonna turn out. Even when it's freezing cold like it is out here, we don't have any precipitation, but oh my gosh, the breeze blowing way below zero. Chill factor, it's got to be. Again, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video just for you over here. How about hit that thumbs up? Kind of like a paycheck from me. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.